Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to change the default phone app in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, click on choose default apps. Now to change the default phone app, click on phone app. Now here first you have to install other phone apps. So after installing, then from here you can choose the phone app and change your default phone app. So that's how you can change the default phone app in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.